on May 11th, it's right here, we've got the final reveal for a really cool project we're completing. It's the first time we're converting a barn into a home, and I'm here to stop by and check on progress, talk with my team, and give you guys a little sneak peek. Let's take a look. Yes, sir. Hey, this is Jeff coming from the master shower. I love this shower. Hey, it's all right, I'm in the master shower, and I have to say I love this shower. One, there's a window behind me, so it's bringing in a lot of natural light, but this beautiful elongated subway tile has a mottled front, and it's got a high gloss, so just the light is popping in here. It's beautiful. We've got this more of a muted 2x2 clay baked tile, and it's going to be featured as our accent wall behind a freestanding tub that's going to be coming in here. Amory Clark, our interior designer, did a fabulous job bringing all these materials together. Let's go see what Ashley, our project architectural designer, has to show us.
Hi, I'm Ashley. I'm the project designer here at the Bold Barn Remodel. We're working here on some finishing touches before the tour. So we just have the hand-painted backsplash tile that was installed. This was a really special choice for the clients because we wanted something with color to tie in some orange elements with our orange kitchen island. We've also added some wood beam elements to tie into the existing look of the barn. You can see that right above the kitchen window here. One of our carpenters, Brian, is also working on a custom copper bar top that will be over in this location to tie in some additional seating.
We will be here Saturday, May 11th from 11 to 4. We hope to see you here. Thank you.